Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous February sub box from Simply Gilded. The theme for the month is Masterpiece, and I am absolutely in love with this color scheme. I love here the box cover with these brush strokes of some lavender, some blues, some greens, and the font, which is a silver foiling. Then in the back we have adorable little juniper smiling back at us, and as always on the side you can see which volume it was, and again the theme for the month. Now I have already taken everything out, so I will be sharing with you everything but the mystery item. I will not reveal the mystery item because I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. And if you're interested in subscribing, this box is still available on the Simply Gilded website, so I will link all the information below, and I will be right back. And I'm back, guys, and as always I'm starting with the little menu card that you get in every box, and it tells you exactly everything that is included. And as you can tell, we're getting a lot. As always, you're getting a full journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, sparkly Bookmark Charm, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, vegan letter pouch, Sakura jelly roll pen, debossed pen cozy, and mystery item, which I will not be sharing. But let me start with the first item on the list, which is the gorgeous journaling card. This is truly a masterpiece, and Irene was inspired by the Monet Room of in New York. So I just love how she took, how she was inspired by the beautiful art of Monet, and she just reinterpreted it and gave it her spin. It's just the colors. I just love how these look like brush strokes, and then it says you possess the key to inner peace, and it's just something very peaceful. We have this beautiful fish right here, and it's just gorgeous, and I mean, I would totally frame that. Then we're having designer washi tapes. Now I usually share this at the end, but since she has them as the second item on the list, I will share those right away. So these are all the washi tapes that you get in this month, and then there is a 5mm add-on that you can also purchase, and that can ship it for free with your main sub box. But again, you need to have a subscription to the main sub box to receive the add-on. But these are all the ones you get, so you're getting basically 3 of the 50mm, you're getting 1 10mm, and then actually yes, this is slightly smaller. So the headers, which are, I'll show you, are slightly smaller, and then you get 2 of the 7mm. So let me start by showing you the first one, which has this watercolor effect on the background with this beautiful silver foiling, and as you can tell, the colors are going, from pinks to greens to lavenders, and it's just beautiful. It reminds me totally of a pond. And then we have basically the same washi tape, but in the 10mm. Again, same design, same watercolor effect. And then these are the perforated headers, so they're the days of the week that you can put on top of your planner, so they just separate like that. And so if you're planning your week, you can just put them on top of your day. They fit the Erin Condren size boxes, and they have a room right there, the little heart. You can place your, write your little the day of the week, or if you want to use a sticker. And again, they have this beautiful light blue, this blue background with that has a touch, I think, of periwinkle with the silver foiling, and I really love the font. It's super pretty. And then we have another of the 50mm, and this one is just something special. There's something to the texture. It is a different texture than the regular washi. If you feel it, is thicker, and it's kind of a grain to it, and the colors are just stunning. Look at these beautiful flowers. I mean, it just brings you into nature right away. And then we're having 2 of the 7mm. We're getting the little, simple line bow in this beautiful pink. And then we have this little kind of like hearts with, let me see if I can, with stars and little hearts. Let me see if I can open it. And this is in a rose gold foiling, and it's just super pretty. And I love the size actually of washi tape because it's so I use it a lot in my Hobonichi weeks. And again, these are all the washi tapes that you get. So you do get a lot of them. And they are, I mean, just that is the value of the box. But I'll be sharing the 5mm add-ons separately, so you don't get confused. Then what we have next, actually, it's a B6 stitch notebook, which is, I want to show you the full cover because it's so beautiful. There we go. So you can tell, again, inspired by Monet. I love the little bunnies on the water, and the boat is super cute. I love this lily pond, and these are beautiful quality. The paper is nice and thick, and it is a stitch notebook, so you can use it for notes. You can use it in your planner if you're using a B6 planner like I do, or you can use it for anything else, for journaling, etc. Then the next thing, oops, I'm sorry. Something dropped. Next thing I wanted to share is something new. It's called the Debossed Pen Cozy. This is in vegan leather, and it's something that Irene has not given us before, so I really wanted to show it right away. It's very soft and pliable, and it has the beautiful bow in there. So of course you can use it to store the beautiful pen you get with, and this time it's a silver silver metal pen with the same kind of like colors that we've seen in the stickers and in the B6 notebook. So we have this kind of like green going into a pink, and these write beautifully. I use them all the time, and they are 0.5 millimeters, and if you need refills, we also have the refills now on the website. And the next item that comes in the pen is a Sakura Jelly Roll pen in this beautiful silver. I love these. I've been using, and they match my nails, but I've been using these to write down. Actually, I write a lot for work, so I write notes for myself, etc. So I've been using these, and they are so much fun, and they're metallic silver, super pretty. Then next thing I wanted to share is something that immediately caught my eye as soon as I opened the box, and is this beautiful bookmark charm. Now it comes inside, now this is normally wrapped in the plastic, and it comes with this little backing. I love the color of that. And then here is the charm. It's just stunning. Actually, let's keep it on here so you guys can see it better. But so it's this beautiful, like sparkly charm with a little bow on the other side, and so you can use in your planner or in your book if you're reading something. Super cute and different, something we have not received before. Then the next thing I'll share is the stickers, and we got a lot of stickers, a ton. So first, let me start with the regular Luxe stickers, which we Irene is included in the past. So we normally get these 3 sheets. We're getting 1 full sheet here, which has our headers, and it has 5 full boxes, and then we're getting a few more of these little kind of like washi tape headers, I would say. They're little bows, and then we have some deco, we have some flags. I just love this. My heart loves art. So beautiful, and again, it just reminds me totally, like I can see this how this is inspired by Monet. It's gorgeous. And then we have a second sheet, and in this one we're getting 3 more of the full boxes, 2 sets of a week, daily, days of the week. Then we have some icons, a little more headers, a little more checklist, the celebrate, etc. And then we're getting the small sheet, which has an additional full box, 4 of the half boxes, and then we have 4 checklists, and then cute little functional stickers like little bows or little icons, etc. So these are all in the beautiful unicorn paper. It's buttery soft, and it takes color beautifully, so I know you will love it. You can stretch these into 2 weeks if you don't use that many per day. And then we're getting a full a sheet of seals in these gorgeous colors with the silver foiling. And then we get 2 extra sheets of the heart icons. So we have in this month we're getting in the silver foiling. So these are the heart icons basic foil. This is a new format for Irene. You get tons of icons. And then we're getting this cute little icons. These are the heart icons basic, which are in the in this pastel colors. So I love them. And then the last item, I guess I kept my favorite item in the box for last, because I could you not, this color is just, it's just beautiful. And I have to say, I'm not a huge fan of blue in general, but this color is just a perfect pastel. It's a beautiful pouch, folio cover, whatever you call it. It's super big, as you can tell. You can store your planner in here, actually. I was just wanted to show you. Let me see. Yeah, this is my latest setup, and look how it fits an A6. You can probably fit a thin B6 too, so if you want to carry it around with you, this can protect it, because inside it's got this soft material. This is vegan leather, clearly, and then it has a little hook here in which you can put a little charm or whatever you want. So before I show you again everything that was included in the box, let me show you the 5mm add-on. So this is $6 if you are a new subscriber, and it includes 4 of the washi tapes in the 5mm, which are completely adorable. So we have the green with the bows, and then we have one with the hearts and 2 with a vine. Super cute, match perfectly, and you can actually subscribe and cancel at any time the subscription. So just email me at simplygildedbox@gmail.com if you would like to add it for next month, and then if you want to cancel, just email me back and I'll cancel it for you, no problem whatsoever. So these are all the items, guys. Let me share with you again, and if you want to subscribe, just go on the website and get yours before they sell out. There's going to be limited spots this month as well, so I know you don't want to miss it. And if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, as I always read all the messages, and I will be reply right away. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.